What if I told you that China has created a luxury SUV so advanced that it can challenge the world's biggest premium brands while offering futuristic technology, ultra-luxury comfort, intelligent safety systems, and a design that looks straight out of 2030? Today on China Smart Cars Tech, we're taking a complete tour of the all-new Zeekr M9. From its stunning front design to its luxurious rear seats, from mountain roads to highways, from smart cameras to collision avoidance technology, we're covering everything you need to know about this incredible luxury SUV. Trust me, by the end of this video, you might start wondering whether this is the future of luxury mobility. Let's get started. The first thing you'll notice about the Zeekr M9 is its commanding front appearance. The massive futuristic front fascia immediately grabs attention. The clean lines, premium styling, and sophisticated LED lighting signature create a luxury presence that feels both elegant and powerful. Its wide stance gives the SUV a confident road presence while maintaining a modern and futuristic identity. Whether parked in front of a luxury hotel or driving through a city boulevard, the Zeekr M9 simply looks premium from every angle. Moving to the rear, the design continues to impress. The sleek full-width LED light bar stretches across the entire rear section, creating a futuristic look that's instantly recognizable at night. The rear profile combines luxury and technology perfectly. Every detail has been carefully crafted to make the SUV appear sophisticated and modern. Even when standing still, the Zeekr M9 looks ready for the future. Now let's focus on one of the most striking elements of the vehicle: the advanced LED headlights. These aren't just ordinary headlights. Their futuristic design gives the front end a unique personality while providing exceptional visibility during nighttime driving. The sharp lighting signature creates a premium appearance that turns heads everywhere. Whether driving through urban streets or mountain roads, these headlights make a powerful statement. At the rear, the intelligent LED taillights create a spectacular visual effect. The continuous light bar enhances both safety and style. At night, the Zeekr M9 becomes instantly recognizable thanks to its futuristic rear lighting design. This is the kind of detail usually seen on luxury vehicles costing significantly more. Although the Zeekr M9 is an advanced electric luxury SUV, the engineering beneath the bodywork is equally impressive. The powertrain showcases cutting-edge electric vehicle technology designed for smooth acceleration, efficiency, and performance. Advanced battery management systems, intelligent cooling technology, and high-performance electric motors work together to deliver an exceptional driving experience. This SUV proves that luxury and sustainability can go hand in hand. Let's talk about the wheels. The premium alloy wheels perfectly complement the vehicle's luxury design. The large wheel size improves road presence while enhancing stability and driving dynamics. Combined with high-performance tires, the Zeekr M9 delivers a smooth and comfortable ride across different road conditions. The wheel design itself looks like a piece of modern art. Every detail reflects premium craftsmanship. Now it's time to step inside. And honestly, this is where the Zeekr M9 becomes truly impressive. The cabin feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional SUV interior. Premium leather materials, soft touch surfaces, elegant trim pieces, and beautiful ambient lighting create a first-class experience. The futuristic dashboard and advanced infotainment system immediately capture your attention. Everything feels premium. Everything feels modern. Everything feels designed around comfort. If the front cabin is impressive, the rear seats take luxury to another level. The executive-style seating provides incredible comfort for passengers. Generous legroom, reclining functions, premium materials, and ambient lighting transform every journey into a relaxing experience. This is the kind of rear seating usually reserved for luxury limousines. Whether you're traveling across the city or taking a long-distance trip, passengers will appreciate every moment spent inside this cabin. Imagine taking the Zeekr M9 through breathtaking mountain roads. The combination of power, stability, and intelligent suspension systems allows the SUV to handle winding roads with confidence. As the sun sets behind the mountains, the vehicle's elegant design blends perfectly with the dramatic scenery. The Zeekr M9 isn't just built for city life. It's built for adventure as well. On the highway, the Zeekr M9 truly demonstrates its capabilities. The smooth electric acceleration provides effortless overtaking power. Road noise remains minimal thanks to advanced sound insulation technologies. The ride feels refined, stable, and incredibly comfortable even at higher speeds. Long-distance journeys become enjoyable rather than tiring. This is exactly what a modern luxury SUV should deliver. Driving through a forest at night creates an entirely different experience. The advanced LED lighting system illuminates the road ahead while the quiet electric powertrain enhances the sense of peace and connection with nature. The Zeekr M9 moves silently through the darkness, creating an almost futuristic atmosphere. It's luxury, technology, and nature coming together perfectly. Now imagine the Zeekr M9 near a beautiful coastline. The pearl white paint reflects the blue ocean and golden sunlight, creating a spectacular visual scene. The vehicle's elegant design perfectly complements luxury seaside environments. Whether parked beside the ocean or exploring coastal roads, the Zeekr M9 looks absolutely stunning. One of the most important aspects of any luxury SUV is how well it serves families. The Zeekr M9 excels in this area. Its spacious cabin, advanced safety features, comfortable seating, and intelligent technology make it ideal for family adventures. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a long vacation trip, every family member can enjoy the journey. This SUV isn't just about luxury. It's about creating memorable experiences. Picture the Zeekr M9 parked outside an ultra-luxury villa at night. The illuminated headlights, elegant body lines, and premium design language create a truly breathtaking scene. The reflections from the villa lights highlight every curve of the vehicle. It's the perfect combination of luxury architecture and automotive excellence. Now imagine the Zeekr M9 standing proudly in front of a magnificent royal palace. The grand architecture enhances the vehicle's prestigious appearance. The SUV looks completely at home in such an elite environment. This is proof that Chinese luxury vehicles have entered a new era of sophistication and global competitiveness. Luxury today isn't just about comfort. It's also about safety. The Zeekr M9 comes equipped with advanced collision avoidance technologies designed to help prevent accidents before they happen. Using intelligent sensors, cameras, and radar systems, the vehicle continuously monitors its surroundings. If a potential danger is detected, the system can provide warnings and even assist with emergency braking. This technology helps make every journey safer. The advanced camera system is another major highlight. With a 360-degree surround view system, drivers gain a complete view of the vehicle's surroundings. Parking becomes easier. Maneuvering in tight spaces becomes safer. Visibility improves significantly. This feature adds both convenience and confidence to daily driving. Finally, let's take one more look at the futuristic dashboard. The large digital displays, intelligent software, premium materials, and elegant ambient lighting create a truly modern driving environment. Everything is designed to keep the driver informed, connected, and comfortable. The dashboard perfectly represents the philosophy behind the Zeekr M9. Luxury, technology, and innovation working together seamlessly. So, what do you think about the all-new Zeekr M9? Can this futuristic luxury SUV compete with the biggest names in the automotive world? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing Chinese luxury cars and future mobility technology. Thanks for watching China Smart Cars Tech. And we'll see you in the next video. Car Sparkles.